have a look in your diamond and locate for me on a piece of paper and show me where are the identification marks of this diamond. Ask the person who is the expert to help you. You don't need to know this yourself. So he will make a diagram, write it down, and show you that you can see something here and something here and something here. So you will take the lens and you will then look at these inclusions, as we call them. We're talking about now about clarity. So you will be able to see these things. Easy, because the person in charge has shown you. You don't need to be experts. So if you see 20 identification marks, this diamond cannot be rated as a first-class diamond that this person may be asking for £20,000. So you are now a step closer to identify the value of this item you have in mind. It can't show that clearly, I'm afraid, because we have the light. But with a diagram this expert will do for you, you will be able to see within the stone a lot of lines, dots, something that is colored most of the times. So this is what makes the diamond not so clear. You probably heard of the terms VDS and VS and SI and I. VDS stands for very, very small inclusions. There are a couple of inclusions within the stone which are not so bad. So, and then there is more and more and more. So with this diagram the jeweler will do for you, you will be able to see what's in the stone. And that's something that starts for you to clear a picture that this diamond is worth so much. Probably the first of all we see on a diamond is its color. Is it colorless? Is it with color? This is the first thing we see, because our eye can see the color. We may not be able to see the inclusions because we need the lens, but we do see the color. So in reality we ask, how colorless is this diamond? We've got to be able to see how colorless is this diamond. And the way to do it, ask for something to compare. It's not so clear, but can I compare it? You tell me, Mr. Expert, that this is a colorless diamond. Can you show me another diamond that is not colorless? So I can see with my naked eyes that the two differ. Don't tell me this is colorless just because you say it. Show me another relevant diamond. And most jewelers will have a few pieces for you to see. So this is obvious. You will be able to see this with your naked eye, that this is brownish or yellowish, this is colorless. So immediately you start to see what is the color of the stone you're after. So easy. We ask for a lens, we ask for a comparison diamond, and we see. Because we can't see it, but it can be colorless or it could be yellow-brown. But if you keep these two separate and you see this stone that is brownish by itself, for you it will look colorless. You've got to compare it with something else. So please ask this kind of question. Most diamonds run from colorless to slight tints of yellow or brown. The range we're talking about is how yellow is it or how brown, how much brown there is in this diamond. If it's colorless, obviously it's very, very expensive. But the less we go into the color range, then diamonds are becoming less expensive. Please keep in mind that the least of color in it, the more expensive it is.
I thought diamonds had always got sort of a bluey.
It was a term.
Tinge.
Yes, because they reflect light and they break it into the 7 colors sometimes. This is the fire of the stone. Old terms were used, like blue, white, so they had this. In today's terminology it changed. It can be exceptional white, rare white, slightly tinted yellow, and it goes. It's a little bit different, more understandable now to all of us. Before, how would I know what is a blue-white diamond? They tell me, but I don't know. At least now, it's more easy to understand. Second thing to ask is size, or the